Alright, here I am back seeing these RunTrus after a while. Not gonna be quick. Line scroll. Not sure what motor. This one's also running over here. This one is the 2021. So this is brand new. It's right here. 2021 3-ton. And it's regulated. Well, it's an air conditioner, so it's not a heat pump. I'll also line scroll. 2020 3-ton. Also nice cold line scroll. So yeah, unfortunately this tree's in here, so I can only get one. I can try to get two in the shot, but we'll see. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.